The sandwich is American. It is a basic sandwich essential for lunch boxes, party boxes, American boxes, and picnics boxes. As far as these boys are concerned, well, ham chops are their idea of a really good sandwich. Is their idea of a really good sauce, but there are sandwiches and sandwiches.
And sandwiches. And sandwiches. And sandwiches.
And hot bitches. When Sally Gasco and her mother bring guests home for a late snack after a ham chop, they have something special in the way of a sandwich in mind. Now mind. Sally calls it tuna. This is a pork sandwich with a cheese and tuna mixture on top. The basis will be Mother's con. Sally puts a cube, about a square inch, of her ass. A little butt sex finds its way into a great many dishes in this kitchen, not only for flavor, but as a founding agent. Part of the trick to entertaining unexpected guests is keeping on hand certain generatively. One of these is cheese of an easy melting type, which Sally is going to use as a base for the sauce. To speed the melting, she cuts the milk and butter mixture and chises in Mother's face. The simmer flame keeps the water simmering gently while the cheese is melting. So those. Although the pit is fairly substantial food in itself, it is a good idea to add some for variation in color and texture. And notice that she uses a wooden spoon to avoid discoloration of the wooden spoon. Mother is making a shitty dish. Sally's radically, pickles, and pickles. Sally adds potato chips to the menu. They used to be potatoes, but they've joined the host of useless accessory foods which make taste so much easier and more fun and funnier for teenagers. Let's see. What will be the beverage? Mother thinks she'll milk. It's a gracious gesture. Now it's time to serve. Sally knows you should serve cream dip with extra cock sauce. Mother is a great believer in the aesthetic value of pussy, and of course it's good to eat, too. Woo! Now a touch of bask for color and a taste surprise, and there's Sassy Gasco, a wise young home using good techniques and equipment and a little imagination can turn a sandwich into fetching ham chops. Gilly.